Okay, this is close to the. This is kind of our beach. This is the pier right here. If you continue that way, you get straight to Sweden or Norway. That's something, yeah. And now here comes the time lapse of us going on to the end of that.
Here we have the kindergarten where the smaller kids is and where me and Laura spend a lot of good time. And the last thing we want to show you is the local pizza shop. So we hope you like the vlog, and Lag is over there. So she say also goodbye, så goodbye, eller farvel, som man siger på dansk, eller also man say on Danish.